Judah. This little piggy went. Which little piggy went to the market? Judah. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy went home. You want to do it for the camera? Where's your piggies? There they are. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy went home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went all the way home. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy went home. That one with the toenail clipping sticking straight off. That's disgusting. This little piggy had roast beef. We're looking at the toenail. Beautiful. Wee all the way home.